We are very fortunate to have Sri M. Suresh Garu, Treasurer from Andhra Polytechnic Old Students Association. I request Sri M. Suresh Garu to come on to the dais and occupy the chair. I request D. Sirisha to honor Sir with a bouquet. Thank you, sir. It's time to listen to the golden words of our guests. As a part of that, I request Sri N. Janardhan Rao Garu, Principal, Andhra Polytechnic, Kakinada, to address the gathering.
Very good morning, all of you. Respected today's chief guest, Dr. N. Mohan Rao Garu, Principal, JNTU Kakinada, and respected guest of honor, P. Ravi Kumar, his Deputy General Manager, Kakinada Seaports Private Limited, respected our Yatapaka Principal Ram Satyanarayan Garu, Government Polytechnic, Yatapaka, and respected N. Suresh Garu, who is Old Students Association, APT Old Students Association Treasurer. He came a bit late, morning, just now we have invited him. See about college, we all know our college is having a tremendous name. It is started from 1946. So much intelligence are studied here and got highest positions. And now we are maintaining same rapport. Sir, our students selected through poly set entrance. Most of these students are meritorious students. Our students' parents' profile is very low, sir, but their intelligence is very high. Due to that, our department slowly changing its ideas and decided to conduct technical festival for every 2 years. Actually, this technical festival is started from 2008. So this is the second time we are conducting. Our department will select a college for a region to celebrate this technical festival. So we are very happy to conduct this technical fest. Sir, about projects, most of the projects studied in college level, their experts staff and the principal will study and select, and they promote these projects to the regional projects or regional tech fest. So we received 117 projects in which participated colleges. Government colleges are 8, private colleges are 20. And our department is encouraging by providing prizes in regional level and also state level. So the select best projects for 20 projects from the regional level is promoted to state level, sir. In regional level, the prizes are first prize is 25,000, second prize is 10,000. They will give some time to improve their projects so that this display, the best 20 projects will participate in state level. There also they are encouraging with prizes. First prize is 1 lakh, sir. Second prize is 50,000. Third prize is 30,000. In this way, our department is promoting our students so that every year most of the students are coming forward to exhibit their new ideas, and recently developed artificial intelligence and this IoT, etc. These applications are implementing in all fields, sir, in mechanical, civil, electrical, in all fields they are implementing with their minds, they are implementing these ideas, and these are helpful to society, sir. They are implementing in view of in view of removing obstructions in railways, and encouraging agricultural, medical, transportation, in every field they are doing a project, sir. We are very happy, and all the participants, we are very happy to participating and coming to this institute, and and I am requesting for the next year onwards, increase your levels and motivate your juniors so that our polytechnic will flourish, and we are getting a good placement, sir. Last year, out of 660 students, 490 students are selected for various companies, in which top payment is 2 members got 9.6 lakhs, sir, and 4 members are 8.6. The other also above 2 lakhs and up to 9 lakhs students are getting, sir. In this way, our students are growing. With this small note, I am thanking you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. I now request Sri M. Suresh Garu, Treasurer, Andhra Polytechnic Old Students Association, to address the gathering.
వేదికను అలంకరించిన ఆంధ్ర పాలిటెక్నిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారికి, అలాగే కేఎస్పిఎల్ జిఎం గారికి మరియు ఇతర పెద్దలందరికీ కూడా నమస్కారం అండి. అలాగే నా తోటి స్నేహితులు, నా విద్యార్థులందరికీ కూడా హాయ్. ఈరోజు ఆంధ్ర పాలిటెక్నిక్ ఓల్డ్ స్టూడెంట్ అసోసియేషన్ అనే ఒక అసోసియేషన్ని 2003లో స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. అది స్టార్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు 2006లో రూఫ్ రిపేర్ దగ్గర నుంచి అన్నీ కూడా అప్పుడు అన్ని పనులు చేశారు. ఆ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ 2019లో మా చేకల సూర్యనారాయణ గారు, లేట్ శ్రీ చేకల సూర్యనారాయణ గారు ఆధ్వర్యంలో మళ్ళీ అగైన్ బాడీ మళ్ళీ పెట్టుకున్నారు. ఏర్పడిన తర్వాత ఆ రోజున్న సిట్యుయేషన్లో పాలిటెక్నిక్ చూస్తే కొద్దిగా బాధాకరంగా అనిపించిందండి. ఆ టైంలో మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు చొరవతో సుమారు ₹1 కోటి వ్యయంతో ఇక్కడున్న మీరు చూస్తున్న ఆడిటోరియం కూడా మేమే రెనోవేట్ చేసాం. అలాగే కాలేజ్ మొత్తం కూడా ఎలక్ట్రిఫికేషన్ కానీ, పెయింటింగ్ కానీ, రూఫ్ రిపేర్స్ కానీ ఇలా వివిధ కార్యక్రమాలు చేశాం. ఇందులో భాగంగా ఇక్కడికి మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు కొన్ని కారణాల వల్ల ఇక్కడికి అటెండ్ కాలేకపోయారు. అందుచేత వారు నాకు ఇచ్చి ఒక సందేశం పంపించారు, అది మీకు నేను వినిపిస్తాను. సభకు నమస్కారం, శుభోదయం. I am TPV Ramna, President, APT Old Student Association. Being away from Kakinada, I am not able to attend the Tech Fest 2024 in person. I have sent my messages to be read on own behalf and also on behalf of APTOSA. First and foremost, let me take this opportunity and thank Department of Technical Education, Andhra Pradesh, for the initiative to conduct this Regional Tech Fest, and special mention to Sri N. Janardhan Rao Garu, the Principal Andhra Polytechnic, for leading from the front to organize this gigantic event for 2 days starting on 3rd December. This Regional Tech Fest is a need of the honor, and it would foster innovative, inspire creativity and connect students with industry leaders. It promotes skill development, entrepreneurship and technological growth, positioning the state as a hub of innovation and economic process. This is an exceptional platform for various polytechnics students to showcase their skills, and we are pretty sure that all the attendees, including the chief guests of honor and special invitees, would be mesmerized with students' efforts. Thanks to various generous donors for making this event happening, including Dr. Kumar Raja, Executive Committee Member of APTOSA, for his contribution of 50,000 towards this inaugural function. Our best wishes to entire team which is organizing this event, and our APTOSA's continuous support will always be there. To throw some light on APTOSA, APTOSA was established and registered way back in 2003 by a team of old students headed by late Sri Chikala Suryanarayan Garu. Under his leadership, we celebrated Diamond Jubilee of APT in 2006. After undertaking a lot of development activities like roof repairs, construction toilet blocks for girls, building septic tanks, interior and exterior painting of the APT main building, we also created an ACE classroom in the recent past. We undertook repairs of 330 windows and doors, reviving renovation of all toilets with water facility, construction of a new cycle shed, pest control to mention a few. We also supplied RO plant, 100 ceiling fans, 10 wall mount fans, cut machine to auto lab, repairs of motors and generators in electrical lab, gravity apparatus and UPS in civil lab, partition for electronics lab, double desks, 2 classrooms of mechanical department, a grass cutter, 250 armless chairs, 20 open racks and 8 almara, and a digital library. We conducted several clean and green events and also motivation classes for students who spent about 100 lakhs for the development activities in APT, including providing work for 5,000 man-days, spending about 40 lakhs for their wages. 2 consecutive district collectors in 2005 and 2008 funded ₹5 lakhs each on to APTOSA. And that speaks about the credibility, transparency of APTOSA and its activities. We did our part in getting the National Board accreditation for civil and mechanical engineering sections of APT. All the above is said only to bring awareness about APTOSA among all the dignitaries and participants of this Tech Fest 2024. I once again wish the Tech Fest 2024 a grand success and great all the staff and participants of all the polytechnics, including our alma mater APT. Thank you very much. P.P. Ramana, ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఆప్టోసా. ఇందులో భాగంగా ఒక విషయం అండి, మేము 2019లో వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మాకు సపోర్ట్ అంతంత మాత్రంగానే ఉండేది. కానీ ఆ తర్వాత మన జనార్దన్ రావు గారు ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు ఎప్పుడైతే కాలేజీలోకి వచ్చారో అప్పటి నుండి ఆయనతో పాటుగా మా వర్క్స్ కూడా చాలా స్పీడప్ అయ్యి వచ్చేవాళ్ళు కూడా మాకు మా అల్యూమిని మెంబర్స్ అందరూ కూడా విపరీతంగా ఫండింగ్ చేశారు ఆయన్ని చూసి. ఎందుకంటే ఆయన ఇచ్చిన ప్రోత్సాహం, సార్ మాకు అది కావాలి, మాకు చేసి మీకు అన్ని ఇచ్చేస్తామని చెప్పి ఎంతో వెనకాల నుండి సపోర్ట్ చేశారు. వారికి పేరు పొందిన అందరికీ కూడా మా ఆప్టోసా తరపున అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. I now request Sri J. Ram Satyanarayan Garu, Principal, GMR Polytechnic, Atapaka, to address the gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and after of the dais, and my dear students, very good morning. I want to say I will take only 1 minute from your time. I am also the alumni of Andhra Polytechnic, Kakinada, 85-88 batch, electrical engineering batch. I participated in last year get together. And I want to say one thing, that is the students who are participating from all the colleges welcome, and whatever may be the individual activities you are taken up, or with the guidance of your guides or lecturers, you take your utmost interest. That much of additional interest leads you to patents, which is raises our polytechnic level of activity in the future. Not only in the higher levels, that is higher education or degrees or PhDs, in the diplomas also you can register for patents. Okay, I wish you all the best for all the students who are participating along with their staff. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. I now request Sri P. Ravikumar Garu, Deputy General Manager, Kakinada Seaports Limited, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to thank Andhra Polytechnic Principal Janardhan Rao Garu and Civil HOD and other staff to give me an opportunity to participate in this great event. Apart from the JNTU Kakinada, Andhra Polytechnic is a landmark in Kakinada. So many students studied here and went to the higher levels. We hope definitely not only Andhra Polytechnic, all Polytechnic students should pay attention during their studies and likely to participate this kind of events in Tech Fest. Winning is not important, first participation is important. Try to participate, try to get knowledge, more exposure. That will help you build up confidence and to reach your goals. And you are not lesser than the graduates, and don't try to underestimate your levels. Frankly speaking, if you go to the engineering college with a diploma background, you are far better than their engineers because you already studied 3 years in engineering and you are having basics compared to BTech students. So you are in London, you are half engineer. So definitely you can reach to the higher levels when compared to the other BTech students. This is a good compliment for the diploma students in whatever the branch. And once we complete the diploma, if you get any good opportunity for getting into the services, please try to get into that. Because doing graduation is not important at the initial stage. If you get some experience and exposure, then at any time you can go to the PhD level also. Parallelly, you can do the graduation, post-graduation and PhDs also. So try to grab the opportunity. If it is really needed, then definitely everybody will go to the services. If it is not required, then also if you get a good job in a good company, try to grab that one. Don't miss it. Okay. So all the best to the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Now I am very glad to invite today's chief guest, Sri Dr. N. Mohan Rao Garu, Principal JNTU Collegiate Education, Kakinada, to address the gathering.
Good morning to you all. The dignitaries on the dais, N. Janardhan Rao Garu, Principal, Andhra Polytechnic, P. Ravikumar Garu, Chief General Manager, Kakinada Seaports, Treasurer, AP Polytechnic Students Association, Alumni Students Association, Suresh Garu, Ram Satyanarayana Garu, Principal, GMR Polytechnic, and dignitaries of the dais, heads of the department, faculty, and student friends. A very good morning to you all once again. I congratulate this college, the great prestigious Andhra Polytechnic, for organizing such a mega event, which is organized in a region way. Congratulate you, sir, once again for organizing such a great event. As Principal Garu mentioned, this is one of the oldest colleges having a great legacy having been started in 1946. Of course, the college which I am heading as principal, JNT College of Engineering, was also started in 1946, okay, where I have also studied. So this college has produced several good, great technocrats who are contributing to the nation a lot. So when it comes to this Tech Fest, they are need of the hour because they provide platform to the students to showcase their innovative ideas. Of course, it may be at a primary level of having this demonstrating their idea through simple models. After simple model, you can go for to the actual system, developing actual system. So these tech fests provide a platform for you to showcase your innovative ideas, and also this provide a platform to have interaction with the students of other colleges, which will give you an opportunity to gauge yourself where you are, where your knowledge is, and also it provides a platform to open your ideas, and also what are the different applications you will come to know where you can apply your knowledge. And that is actually today's, the technology should be used to solve a problem, be it a social problem or other technological problems. So as for the observation what I have made during my rounds, I have observed that the projects that are presented have covered total cross-section of social problems, technological needs, and communication technologies. So I congratulate all the participants, okay, for showcasing their ideas through your models. Here, your competition also you should observe how a particular person or a student from a particular college is presenting. Okay, so that will also improve your competitive spirit. Okay, so these are the advantages that you have. When it comes to the models that are presented, I suggest the students first you fully understand what are the principles of operation for a particular device, be it sensoring technology or the control technology. So for a given problem, for a given application, so these sensor technologies and your other technologies based on computer, be it artificial intelligence, machine learning or IoT, these technologies will help to improve the performance of a system. Already we have a number of systems. To improve the performance, these technologies will be more helpful. So you should fully first understand basic principles of the device on which they are being operated, and also you attack the problem. What is your requirement? What you want to, what your presentation or what your idea is going to solve? Okay, what are the challenges that any system has? So to overcome these challenges, okay, how your technologies can be useful. In that way, if you think, definitely the ideas that are coming out will realize into a really helpful products. Okay, so with this, thank you for giving me this opportunity and giving me an opportunity to be a part of this Tech Fest. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech. Now, it's time to show our respect and gratitude towards our chief guests by giving them mementos. I request our principal, sir, Sri N. Janardhan Rao Garu, to present a memento to Dr. N. Mohan Rao Garu, Principal, JNTU Collegiate Education, Kakinada. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. N. Mohan Rao Garu to present a memento to our principal, sir, Sri N. Janardhan Rao Garu. Thank you, sir. I request our principal, sir, and Principal JNTU CE to present mementos to other guests. Sri P. Ravikumar Garu, Deputy General Manager, Kakinada Seaports Limited, Kakinada.